Hi, I'm Nadine Chapman and I work at the University of Sydney. I'm one of the people working on Plan B, the National Honeybee Genetic Improvement Program. This program is supported by the federal government, AgriFutures Australia, research institutions, the beekeeping industry, and the industries that depend upon them for pollination. And this is the first time that all of these groups have been brought together.
The main goal of the program is to increase the profitability of beekeeping by improving production and limiting disease. Having a thriving bee industry will help to secure our food supply by ensuring that we have enough strong, healthy colonies for pollination. There are a variety of ways that this will be achieved. Today I will focus on breeding. We have collected feedback from industry about the traits that are important to them and written a manual to standardise how data on these traits can be selected. Different breeders will still choose different traits that they want in their bees. And they'll also have a choice about how they do that. For example, some might select for honey production on a scale of 1 to 5, while others will weigh the honey off each colony. This manual will be released to breeders in the next few days for comment. And it's very important that we get these methods right and ensure that they are fit for purpose. If you don't get a copy and you feel that you should, then you can contact me. We will be holding workshops to get feedback on the manual, and you can also email myself or Liz Frost or some industry reps if you would like to remain anonymous. And details for contacting all of us will be provided at the end of the video. When breeders who work with the program perform colony evaluations, they will record the data either on a data sheet or on an app that is being designed by Matt Welsh in Western Australia. This data and information about relationships between the queens via either a pedigree or genetic testing will go into a database, and then estimated breeding values will be calculated. And breeders will then use this information to make breeding decisions. These methods are now being used by all major beekeeping nations and have been used in other industries for many years, and it has really helped to unlock progress. We will be consulting with industry to determine who will have what level of access to information from the database, and whether each breeder should be treated separately or if it is appropriate for some of them to be grouped together, for example, if they work in a similar environment. Our hope is to grow the queen production industry and provide tools that make selection more efficient, and we'd also like to get a greater understanding by industry of just how much work goes into producing a great queen bee. This program will only be as good as the support we get from industry. We really need you to be involved, and for now we're mainly focusing on queen breeders and getting the standardised trait manual finished, and as you can see, there's a whole pipeline of work to come after this, and later on there will be opportunities for beekeepers and pollination dependent industries to get involved.